How to buy S&P 500 on Moomoo. So first you're gonna have to log into your account, of course. Make sure you have the app ready and everything, and fund your account as well, of course. So go ahead to the me section and just make sure you have funds already. But once you do, just go ahead directly to the markets over here. You should be able to find the S&P 500 in the global indices or in the US section over here. But once you press on that one, just go ahead and search for your specific option or choice. Let's say you're going for options over here. There we go. Then once you've chosen, you'll be able to see the options or the details of what you're going for. So make sure it's on buy as well and choose your amount, but you'll be able to see the PL analysis as well, from max profit to your max loss. And you can also change your strategy directly in the single option over here. So you can choose from the options that is given here, or you can even make a custom one, but that pretty much depends on you. So once you've chosen, just go ahead and press on the trade and you'll be able to buy yourself S&P 500 for as long as you have enough funds, of course. But it should work so since it's automatic. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.